Please be attentive, all of you. Okay? Are you all listening?
Yes, sir, listening.
Then why am I not getting a response? If you are all listening, then
Sir,
only one or
I'm
two students are
listening
saying
now.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
no problem. So assertive to exclamatory I'm teaching. Be attentive. Fully attentive.
In this video, we will learn how to
Is
convert
it audible?
an assertive or declarative sentence to exclamatory sentence
Yes,
without
sir.
changing the meaning of the sentence. We will first understand what is an assertive and exclamatory sentence. Then, how to convert an assertive sentence to exclamatory sentence with some examples. And I will give you an exercise at the end of the video for practice. So, without a further go, let's get started. So, what is an assertive sentence? Assertive sentence tells information or states a fact. It ends with a period. For example, Sachin is a very great player. Now, let's understand what is an exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence expresses strong emotions or feelings. It ends with an exclamation mark. For example, what a great player Sachin is. Now, let's understand the steps to convert an assertive sentence to exclamatory
listening?
sentence without changing the meaning of the sentence. Step number 1, move. Move words till helping verb to the end of the sentence. If the helping verb is not provided, move words till the main verb. Step 2, remove. Remove adverbs like very, extremely, greatly, so. Step 3, add. If sentence has article a or an, use what. Else, use how. Also, add the exclamation mark at the end of the sentence.
Did you all understand this much?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First step is you have to move all the words till the helping verb is given, or if the helping verb is not given, then move it to the end of the sentence. Remove the adverb. Adverb means all these words which are given. Very, extremely, greatly. So all these words you have to remove. Because we are changing from assertive to exclamatory. Exclamation mark में change करना है. And the third most important step. Articles are given A or N. First check it. If it is given, then start it. Start your answer with what. If articles are not given, then start your answer with how. But the meaning should not change when you are changing from assertive to exclamatory. Is it clear? How many are there? How many are listening?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Sentence. Now, let me give you example that we saw previously and how we converted it. Sachin is a very great player. Now, step number 1 is to move. We will move the words till the helping verb, which is in this case. So, at the end of the sentence, the word will be Sachin is. Second step is to remove. We remove the word very in the sentence. Step 3. Third step is add. In this case, article is there, so we will use what a and add it in the first place in the sentence. Also, we will add the exclamation mark. So finally, the sentence will be, what a great player Sachin is.
Who did not understand? Ask me. Which step did you not understand? Ask me right now.
Sir, third.
Third step. Okay. See, article means what? A or N. A and the are three articles, you know, or not?
Yes. No.
Yes.
Acha, articles means what? Articles in grammar. A
A
and
and the.
the. Yes. So यहाँ पे the का use नहीं है, only article a or n. So if in the question article is given, see what is our question? Assertive sentence क्या दिया है? What is our main question? Sachin is a very great cricketer. So in that sentence, is there an article? Yes, article A is given, right? So you will start your answer with what? अगर article नहीं दिया, if there is no article, A or N is not given, then you will start your answer with how. You get it? You understood?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes, sir.
Did you understand the first step? Really, did you understand the first step? Helping verb को end
Yes,
में ले
sir.
लिया, is, Sachin is, तो वो उसको end में ले लेना है. That is the first step. Second step, remove the adverb. Very is the adverb. So remove that. Very, so, all these are adverbs. वो निकाल देने. Understood all three steps?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now observe these steps properly. You can pause the video for the same. I think you are now clear on the steps. Let me give you some more examples of it. He has extremely important exam. Now converting it to exclamatory sentence, the sentence will be how important exam he has. Let me give you one more example of it. Ajay reads very slowly. Converting it to exclamatory sentence, the sentence will be how slowly Ajay reads.
Tell me, anyone who has doubt that how did we write this answer? I will explain.
Okay.
See, in the first example, he has extremely important exam. So what is the adverb in that sentence that we have to remove? Which adverb do we have to remove?
Extremely.
Yes, extremely, very, so. All these are adverbs that we have to remove while changing from assertive to exclamatory. And second question is, why did we start our answer with how? Why did we not start with what? What an important exam he has. ऐसा क्यों नहीं लिखा? Why did we not start our answer with what? Very easy. It is one of the steps. In the second answer also, you see, we started with how. Why? Why are we not starting with what? What happened? Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Audible.
Yes, sir.
But you are all not audible because you are all quiet. इतना easy question पूछा मैंने. This is very easy. Change the voice हमने सीख लिया, उससे तो ये बहुत easy है. You know, see, is there any article? He has extremely important exam. Ajay reads very slowly. Is there any article A or N in the question?
No.
No. So we use how. If articles are given, then we use what in the answer. That is the example. Acha, in sentence number 2, what is the adverb that we have to remove? Ajay reads very slowly. What is the adverb that we remove? Which adverb do we remove? Anyone? एडवर्ब क्या है उसमें? Audible? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is my voice not reaching because I'm speaking, I'm asking each and every question 3 times? In the second sentence, the word very is the adverb which we have to remove.
Yes, sir.
I have included all 3 steps by converting these sentences to exclamatory sentence. you can also notice that. Now, based on the examples, I am giving you an exercise. Please let me know the answers in the comment section. The sentences are: it is a very nice bird. He is so humble person. Richa reads extremely slow.
So anyone who will give the first answer, change it to exclamatory. It is a very nice bird. Article is given. So you will start your answer with. How will you start your answer? You will start your answer with which word? Anyone who will give the first answer?
Yes, sir.
First answer, change it to exclamatory. Anyone?
Is a bird very nice?
Continue. Then remove adverb.
Is a bird nice?
See, helping verb will go at the end. What is the helping verb?
Is.
Is. हाँ तो it is है वो end में चला जाएगा. You have to shift that at the end of the sentence.
What a nice bird it is.
Excellent. Do you have any doubt in his answer?
No, sir.
Okay, second one. He is so humble person. In this article is not given. So you will use what or how. कौन सा?
What a humble
What or
person
how?
he is.
Wrong. Sorry. Article is not given.
How
A
a
or
humble
an.
person he is.
Yes. How humble person he is. What is the adverb in that sentence that we removed?
Humble.
Humble तो adjective है वो तो हमने कहाँ remove किया? How humble person he is. Which word did we remove in the
So.
answer? So, very, extremely, all these are adverbs which we have to remove while changing from assertive to exclamatory. Understood? Richa reads extremely slow. Let me see who gives the correct answer at once. Now, directly just give me the answer, not stepwise. Think and give me the answer. I'm giving you 1 minute. Richa reads extremely slow. Adverb निकाल देना है. And one hint I am giving, there is no article. A or N articles are not there in the sentence. Now give me the answer. Very easy it is. Thirty seconds left. Ten seconds.
How a slow Richa reads.
Okay. Repeat that answer. I will make one correction.
How a slow Richa reads.
After how, which word are you saying?
Slow. How slow Richa reads.
Yes, now it is correct. Any doubt in his answer? How slow Richa reads.
No, sir.
Please message me the answers in the comment. So that's all about the conversion in this video.
Now take
Let's quickly
screenshot.
revise what we learned in this
All of you,
lesson.
take screenshot.
First, we looked what are assertive sentence. Assertive sentence tells information or
Taken.
states a fact. It ends with a period. Then we saw exclamatory sentence.
All of you
An
take
exclamatory
screenshots.
sentence expresses strong emotions or feeling.
Are you there?
It ends with an exclamation mark. Next, we saw three-step conversion technique
Take
to
screenshot.
convert an assertive sentence to exclamatory sentence. Step 1 is to move the words till the helping verb to the end of the sentence. And if helping verb is not provided, then the main verb. Step 2 is to remove adverbs like very, extremely, greatly, so. And step 3, if the sentence has an article a or an, use what, else use how. and put it at the first place in the sentence.
Taken
And
screenshot.
also add the exclamatory mark at the end of the sentence. Next, we saw an example for the same.
Did you take screenshot, all of you?
Give you an exercise whose answer you will be giving me in the comment section. That's all in this video.
Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Then I asked you thrice, did you all take the screenshot or not?
Yes, sir, I have taken.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm going to ask the questions, so be attentive for the next video, okay? Will you all be attentive now?
Hello, friends.
Are you all
Yes,
listening?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, listen.
Okay, be attentive. Yes, be attentive.
Hello, friends. Welcome to Free Grammar Lessons. In this video, we will continue our discussion on learning how to convert an assertive sentence to exclamatory sentence without changing the meaning of the sentence. We will learn different cases related to the conversion with examples, and I will give you an exercise at the end of the video. So without a further go, let's get started. Let's quickly revise what we learned related to the conversion in previous video. We saw a 3-step conversion technique to convert an assertive sentence to exclamatory sentence. Step 1 is to move words till the helping verb to the end of the sentence, and if helping verb is not provided, move till the main verb. Step 2 is to remove adverbs like very, extremely, greatly, so. And step 3 is if the sentence has article a or an, use what, else, use how. And we saw an example related to it. The example was Sachin is a very great player.
How many are listening?
The answer is what a great player Sachin is.
Yes,
Sir, I am listening.
You can pause the video and look at the example. Also, you can watch the video if you haven't watched or need a revision. I will provide the links in the description. Now, let's look into different cases where sentence structure is different. Case 1. I wish is replaced by oh that in the sentence. Let's look into an example of it. I wish I had born in a free country. After conversion, the sentence will be oh that I had born in a free country. Let's look into case 2. Case 2, here phrases in a sentence will be replaced by proper interjection. For example, it is sad will be replaced by alas. Let's look into an example of it. It is said that he failed. After conversion, the sentence will be alas, he failed. Let's look into a next phrase. It is a matter of joy will be replaced by hooray. Let's look into an example of it. It is a matter of joy that he passed. After converting, the sentence will be hooray, he passed. Let's
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Did you understand this? How to replace? ये समझ में आ गया? Or not?
Yes, sir, understood.
In the question, if they have given the words, it is sad, so you have to remove that words, it is sad, and you have to write only one word, alas. If in the sentence, in the question they have given, it is a matter of joy, so you have to remove that full phrase, it is a matter of joy, and you have to put only one word, hooray, because it is a matter of joy means what? Happiness. So hooray. It is sad means it is the matter of being disappointed, so alas. Understood? This is assertive to exclamatory.
look into a next phrase. It is a matter of praise will be replaced by bravo. Let's look into a sentence example of it. It is a matter of praise that you have done well. Converting it, the sentence will be, bravo, you have done well.
Understood?
You can observe these phrases and their conversion.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Now you have learned different cases related to the conversion. Based on it, I will give you an exercise whose answer you will be giving me in the comment section. The sentences are: first, I wish I were young again. Second, it is sad that he died. Third, it is a matter of joy that he got the gold medal.
Tell me first answer.
सर विश का क्या होगा?
Yes, so try to recall. If I'll tell you right now, then easily you will get the answer. No? Anyone? Means no one heard it? Anyone? I wish का क्या होगा?
सर मुझे नहीं मालूम.
Okay, number 2.
Alas, he died.
Okay, and in exclamation mark you will put after alas, वो interjection है इसलिए. He
Yes.
died, then full stop. Next, it is a matter of joy that he got the gold medal.
Hooray that he got the gold medal.
That you will remove.
Hooray, he got the gold medal.
Yes, after hooray, you can put exclamation mark and after medal, full stop. Now, anyone except for Mohammad Abbas who remembers the first one, I wish, you have to replace I wish with which word? Okay, so मुझे ही बोलना पड़ेगा. Oh, that. Remember now?
क्या सर?
Oh, that.
Oh, that. Okay, sir.
Oh, that I was young again. काश मैं फिर से young होता. Means that is not possible. Otherwise, with I, can we write were?
Not possible.
I के साथ were कभी नहीं आता. We always write I was. Have you ever heard I were? I is singular. Then how
No.
can we write were? W-E-R-E were. You should ask me this question कि सर I के साथ was आता है, were नहीं आता कभी, never.
Sir,
But
I was asking, but then you asked.
okay. So the reason is when you are talking about the impossible things, only which you wish, but that is never going to come true, तब I के साथ were आता है.
Oh,
Means which is next to impossible. You will say that, sir, it can be possible, but it is next to impossible. For example, I wish I were the president of the country. That is
it is
just a
impossible.
wish. It's as I said, next to impossible, not impossible, because in 1% there are chances for anything. So you understood when we write I were.
Please message me the answers in the comment. Let's quickly
Now
revise
take
what we
screenshot.
learned in this lesson. Firstly, we learned case number 1.
Take
Here,
screenshot.
I wish is replaced by oh that. Then we learned case 2. Here, phrases will be replaced by proper interjection. For example, it is said will be replaced by alas. It is a matter of joy will be replaced by hooray. It is a matter of praise will be replaced by bravo.
Did you take screenshot?
Finally, I gave you an exercise whose answer you will be giving me in the comment section. That's all.
Did you all take the screenshot? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Screenshot did you all take?
Yes, sir.
See, you have to write this today. Then don't tell me, sir, we had not taken screenshot. Okay. Now see, Yes, who will read this? I want someone to read. Anyone?
Sir, can I read?
Yes, read.
Assertive and exclamatory sentence. A sentence that ends with an extra exclamatory mark is called an exclamatory sentence. A simple statement is called an assertive sentence. Assertive to exclamatory. If the assertive sentence has an article like a or an, start the exclamatory sentence with what, if not use how. Now study the sentence given below. This painting is wonderful. How wonderful this painting is. It is a very horrible sight. What a horrible sight is it. What a horrible sight it is. She dances very beautifully. How beautifully she dances.
Sir, your voice is not coming.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sorry.
Yes,
Actually,
sir, audible.
okay. Are you all understanding these examples? It is the same rule which I have taught. Assertive to exclamatory.
Yes. Yes,
Continue.
sir. Sir, I have read it to be
Yes, read.
exclamatory to exclamatory to assertive. While changing an exclamatory sentence to assertive, remove remove the sir. My ID is coming in between lines.
What is coming?
થોડુંક ઉપર કરું થોડુંક
Okay.
ઉપર કરું Okay. While changing an exclamatory sentence to assertive, remove words like how and what, add adverbs like very much, really, high, etc. Highly, etc. Now study the sentences given below.
Am I audible? Hello. Are you reading?
Hello, sir. You are audible.
Exclamatory to assertive. While
Yes, read.
changing an exclamatory sentence to assertive, remove words like how and what, and add adverbs like very, very much, really, highly, etc. Now study the sentences given below. Number 1. Oh, that I were a bird. I wish I were a bird. Number 2. How sad the poor old widow looks. The poor old widow looks very sad. Number 3. What a beautiful scene this is. Answer. This is a very beautiful.
So we have learned assertive to exclamatory. Exclamatory to assertive also rules are same. उसमें ओ दैट का आई विश हो जाएगा बट वेन वी वर रीडिंग assertive to exclamatory हमने क्या किया था आई विश वी चेंज इनटू ओ दैट सो द सेम रूल्स बट रिवर्स अंडरस्टूड सेम रूल्स बट रिवर्स because this is exclamatory to assertive. How sad the poor old widow looks. See, in this sentence, how is given. So we use the word very. अगर what दिया है तो article a आएगा, a or n. If exclamatory sentence starts with what, then in assertive sentence we have to use the article a or n. If exclamatory sentence starts with how, then we have to use the word very in the answer. You get it? Did you understand, all of you?
Yes,
Do you
sir.
understand?
Yes, sir.
But why is no one responding?
Sir, I don't.
See, assertive to interrogative also we will read some examples yesterday which we have done. Yes, so Mohammed Abbas was reading. Will you read? Continue, Mohammed Abbas. So,
Sir, I read.
yes, read.
We were, sir, now study the sentences given below and compare them with the rules given above. We were not born simply to die. Were we born simply to die? Nothing is greater than a mother's love. Is anything greater than a mother's love? This climate harms the skin. Does this climate not harm the skin?
Do you all remember this we have done yesterday? Assertive to interrogative.
Yes, sir. I remember, sir.
Interrogative to assertive. You remember?
Yes, sir.
Can a Negro change his color? A Negro can never change his color. Who would not cry when struck? Everyone would cry when struck. What though you have failed? So in the rules it was given, if what though is given, you have to start with it does not matter. It does not matter though you have failed. So I hope you have understood both the topics, assertive to interrogative, interrogative to assertive, and today assertive to exclamatory and exclamatory to assertive. See, please go through this assertive to exclamatory right now, because this is very important for 10th also. Don't leave a single doubt. Ask me right now. Just read it in your mind and ask me if you have any doubt. See, don't mind. I don't mind explaining again. I seriously don't mind. But what I explained, I think it was really easy. But and still, if you have doubt, I welcome your doubts. Just read it yourself and ask me if you have any doubt. You understood this? Do you all understand?
Yes, sir.
Then exclamatory to assertive. Understood this also? Exclamatory to assertive. So you have to write this in homework today. Assertive to exclamatory and exclamatory to assertive. Rules along with examples. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
And see, you have any doubts, you can ask me personally also. I'll explain
Okay.
personally or on Google Meet whenever you want to ask me. But please take your 9th standard seriously.